Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikhail here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Facebook account through Facebook Lite application. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Facebook Lite application. After you open up the application, you will get to see this interface. Now to log into your account, first of all enter your mobile number or email that you have used while creating your Facebook account. Here I will go with my email. Once you're done with that, type in your password that you have created while signing up on Facebook. If you have forgotten your password, you can simply recover if you tap on the link provided that says forgot password, and after that you can recover your password. And here, once you're done typing in your password, simply tap a login. And if you want to save your login information for the next time you log in, you can simply tap on OK. Here I will go with Not Now. Once you're done with that, you will simply log into your Facebook account through Facebook Lite app. So this is how you can simply log into your Facebook account on Facebook Lite. I hope this tutorial will help you. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, drop the like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.